Hello and welcome. My name is Elyse and I'm one of the design team members for Trinity Stamps. Today we are doing product close-ups for the new Warm and Cozy holiday release. This has everything that you need to get your holiday cards and more done and to give you a lot of inspiration as we move into the holiday season. Today I'm going to be covering the Adore stamp set. Adore is a 7-piece 4x6 stamp set featuring a beautifully written sentiment. Additional images include a manger and assorted starburst. There is not a coordinating die for this stamp set, just the stamp set alone. Here is a look at that stamp set. I've got it on a A2 sized card front so you can see just how large these images are. That Come Let Us Adore Him basically fills an entire A2. And then there's some really fun starbursts and that manger. By the way, my stamps are stained because I used blue ink on these earlier. So yours will come clear. Don't worry, mine are just already well loved. I really love this set. And I think it's going to make really lovely holiday cards. Now let us look at the stamp set. I did want to stamp this out for you on that A2 panel just so that you could see how large this image is. If you wanted to use both of the words and the manger, which I think would be really, really nice all together, I do think that you would need to make this a 5x7 card. But those are also very fun to make and are very special to receive in the mail just because they're a little bit larger. Here is a look at what that panel looks like stamped out. Of course, you can add the manger or the starbursts to get an entirely different look. Here are some of the samples from the design team. This one is very traditional with the script. Jenny made one that has just the manger, but I think it's really, really lovely. And here is a card that I made. This video is live today using this stamp set. On the screen now are more product preview videos if you want to see more. Be sure that you also subscribe to the Trinity YouTube channel to get more inspiration from the design team. And we will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much.